Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the best iOS apps for the month of February. This month we have apps for video editing, viewing tweets in augmented reality, and much more. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first app on the list is Newton Mail. Also thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Well, this app is the only email client you will ever need on your phone. Why, you ask? Read receipts, which allow you to get the read status for every email you send, the send later feature, which lets you schedule emails to be sent later. You can snooze your emails so that you can take a break, and more importantly, it supports Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. with any IMAP account. There are also more features such as two-factor authentication, and the list is just endless, guys. I have been using this as my email client forever. I'll leave a link in the description, so do check that out. Augmented reality is all the rage these days, and what better way other than experiencing your feed in augmented reality. It's a blast to use, trust me. You can write tweets, reply to them, like retweet, and do almost everything that you do in the actual Twitter app. You know what, I'll stop talking here for a bit and let you judge it for yourself. It's amazing, right? Use a video editor and also features a camera interface which lets you edit the videos you shot using filters, stickers, and shares them almost instantly. It offers an excellent interface to create cinematic stuff, and it's as easy as pressing some buttons. They have more than 30 designer stickers for you to choose, starting from weather conditions to emoticons. As I said, there are 12 amazing filters which look really great and give a cinematic look to your videos. They have stickers for the selfie videos, and they do have support for the ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio. The support for full screen vertical video is also present. Have you ever wanted to share a conversation with your friend but you could never fit that in a single screenshot? Well, with the help of Tailor, you can just take overlapping screenshots and it will magically align and stitch them together. No manual cropping or blurring stitches. High quality and readable stuff right here. It works with almost all your favorite apps. All it needs to do is detect the overlapping screenshots. Yes, it's that smart. Definitely check this out, guys. Okay, so this app boasts of being featured on the Apple Best Apps list. It can create some awesome video clips with the music of our choice with a very easy interface. So get ready to be awestruck by its feature. It can trim your video speed, use transitions, mix up audio, and do basic edits. It has a special Insta Stories feature too, which is great and a must-have app for people looking for an easy-to-use editing app. And it also has the ability to bring creators to life using augmented reality. That's it, guys. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and well, watch the videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.